Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be going over Shopify Point of Sale system or POS and how it can actually help you and your business as well. So a Shopify POS system is great and designed for both online and in-store transactions, especially for brick and mortar services. It is simply integrated with a Shopify e-commerce platform, allowing you to sell all necessary metrics on your dashboard. So if you guys want to get started with Shopify and test the POS system out, I am going to leave you a link down below on my description with a current Shopify promotion link. This is an affiliate link. It helps me to make content like this for free for everybody. So if you go through that link at absolutely no extra cost to you, I'll get a small commission, and like I said, it helps the channel. Also, if you're someone who don't know how to set up and customize your Shopify store, I have tons of videos dedicated just for that on my YouTube channel, where I show you step by step how to set up and launch a successful Shopify store. It doesn't matter if it is a regular Shopify store or drop shipping. People do charge thousands of dollars for this, but I am going to do it for you just for free, and all I ask in return for the free tutorials is just hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to make cool videos just like this one. And now, without further ado, let's get into today's video. And this is how you can actually get signed up for Shopify. This is the page you will see after clicking the link down below on my description. So this is the best current Shopify deal. As of now, you'll be paying $1 on your first month instead of paying a full plan price. So enter your email address and then you can sign up and start building your Shopify. Thousands of business owners are already using Shopify to sell their products all over the world. The thing is, there are tons of business owners that want to get access to all Shopify functions and features while also maintaining a brick and mortar business. This is where Shopify POS system comes into a play, and here is what it does. You will first start by simply getting signed up with Shopify and then downloading the Shopify POS app. This app lets you have a full access to the dashboards and see all the necessary metrics that you need to see for your business. Well, if you already have an existing system in place, Shopify does integrate with those also nicely. They also offer a free WisePad reader that lets you read and take charges on the go. This is actually a small and easy to use device that takes both chip and sliding cards and allows you to make any transaction necessary. With a Shopify POS system, tap to pay is also included, meaning that if any of your users have things like Apple Pay or card with a tap and pay functionality, they can simply come up and swipe their cards onto the screen and walk away with their purchase. So if you're thinking about using the system, they do offer a flat rate fee system. This is a full transparent fee payment system that allow you to see exactly what fees you're actually going to pay on a given transaction. There is no flexible fees and no hidden fee as well. When you're processing online payments, the fees can range from anywhere from 24 to 29%, and in-person rates vary between 24% to 27%. There is also a monthly fee to be aware of when you're utilizing this system. If you're wondering whether or not the Shopify POS system is right for you, consider what type of business you are actually running. So the POS system is really good for omni-channel businesses, ones that run both online and in personal interaction and transactions. All in all, Shopify POS systems allows you to seriously integrate the amazing functionality of Shopify, as Shopify already has some awesome function that they have as an e-commerce business. You can also take that functionality and put it into brick and mortar context, allowing you to have more access to features that you can actually enjoy and that you need for your business. If you're curious about this and wants to get started with Shopify today, click the link down below on my description below and get signed up. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was useful. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next video.